Hello! Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's going to be more of a goth-inspired makeup tutorial, and here's the transition. Boom! Look at me. Look at that. Look at that. Don't you want to look like that? Well, we're going to teach you how. First of all, I'm taking a serum, which is expired, and I am censoring it because if you want me to promote this product, you have to pay me the hostage fee. Okay? I'm skipping sunscreen because I don't go outside. Now I'm putting on some moisturizer, and honestly, you know what? Here's the gimmick with the skincare industry. It's all the same shit. Oh, I got some acne spots over there. Nobody cares. I'm breaking out, and also I got a sunburn. Putting on some lip balm because my lips also got sunburned. I didn't know that could happen. Now I'm putting on some spot cream, and I'm just going to soak my face with some Fix Plus, put on some under eye shit, and then I'm going to prime my eyes for the buttload of makeup that's about to go on them. Now I'm jumping in with a random ass makeup palette because guess what? Also, all makeup is pretty much the same. As long as you find a brand that you're happy with, anything works. I'm diving in with red eyeshadow, but honestly, you can use whatever color you want because really, none of this matters. Nothing matters. We're on this planet for a very short amount of time. Do you really think it matters what skincare or makeup products you're using? No. Anybody who tells you the opposite is just trying to sell you something. I'm going to be taking some mixing medium and some pigment, but honestly, you don't even need to use that. You can literally just use liquid lipstick for this, or just regular lipstick. It's not good to have mouth bacteria all over your eyes, so I don't really recommend going in with lipstick, but you can. I'm not your boss, but you're just gonna smear that all over, like so, in some sort of vaguely arranged pattern. You see what I'm doing on the screen. Just dragging that down and smudging it all over because I don't have time. Look at it go. I don't have time to be fussing about the details over here. I shave off my eyebrows at least once a year because I have a mental health crisis. It's the way that I cope. So I'm not really used to doing my eyebrows, so I'm just slicking some sort of gel shit through them. I think it works well enough. We don't really need to pay attention to them or look at them that much. Please do not perceive me. And now for the star of this show, we have mascara that I'm going to be plopping literally everywhere. You can use mascara instead of eyeliner. There are no rules. This one, however, did poke me because there was some like spiky shit coming out of it. And next up, we got liquid eyeliner. Amazing, immaculate. You're going to clean up all of your mistakes with that. You're going to make it look like everything that you did wrong was on purpose. That's what I love about liquid eyeliner. So I just completed one eye and then off camera I'm going to do the other. Next up I'm doing foundation. Now you might be thinking, why are you doing foundation after such an intense eye that goes all the way down? And that's because I cannot put any forethought into anything that I do. I'm just built like this. You know, concealer on all the spots. I had a pretty bad sunburn that day because I went to the Renaissance Fair that weekend. Just got my LARP on. Now I'm putting blush directly over all of the work that I just did. I think that it looks nice though because it melts kind of into the makeup. It's not a professional look at all. Next up, I'm putting down some setting powder, and you try to put that setting powder kind of close to where your nose contour would be. You're basically using it as a reverse nose contour. And then I'm powdering my eyes too because I put a lot of shit on them. Now I'm just contouring my nose. Look at that. I got a hair on my face. I didn't notice while I was filming. Oh my god. But I brushed that off. Next up, I'm applying lashes. Now, it looks like I applied them right there, but I actually didn't. Ended up being a struggle. I had to remove them and put them back on like 15 times. Now I'm going to be doing my lips. I don't recommend this step because right now I'm using regular ass eyeliner. Yeah, I don't really have any lip liners. I don't think you need them though. Like, once you set yourself free from needing to pay attention to, like you don't need to use lipstick. You can always use eyeshadow. I leave the corners of my mouth purposefully open, just because it looks bad if I fill them in all the way. So I just close my mouth like that so nobody notices. And this is the finished look. Ah, my God, it looks so good. I did a great job. Wow. Look at me. Aw, I'm so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be talking about how like you should subscribe right now. You should totally like and subscribe right now because that feeds the economy. It fuels my children. It makes me very happy. It makes me pop a little boner. Bye.